Hello everyone, welcome back to another video, and today I'm here with another topic related to English improvement because nowadays I'm connected with co-learners, with beginners, and they ask me one question: how can we improve English interesting way, because they feel very boring, because they at one time they feel like bore, and they are not consistent because of boringness. So in this video I am share with some tips and tricks, so that's why you can start this type of practice, then you definitely achieve fluency, then you definitely learn, then you definitely improve your English speaking journey. And in this video I am going to share about some tips. Okay, so I write down some tips in my diary. As you know guys, I am here in Chandigarh, and right now I thought like, okay, let's make a video on this topic and related to English improvement, because English is boring, because nowadays because nowadays I'm started with scratch, and I improve a lot. I think not a lot, but yes, I am consistent, so that's why I speak little bit in front of camera, in front of anyone. So today's video, there are some topics, there are some tricks, so you can start with this. The first topic is stop studying like school. If you study like school wise, you start like grammars, and you focus on grammar things, and you focus on perfection things, so then you definitely feel boring, because grammar is a boring. Because I started from scratch, and when I go with grammar rules patterns, then that time I feel bored, definitely. So it happened with everyone. If you improve fluency, or if you want to speak fluently and fearlessly and confidently, then you start for speaking. Okay, the second point is learn through your interest is like, guys, your movies, podcast. If you are interested, like you are interested in sports, like you are interested in podcast, movies, then you watch movies, podcast in English. Everything watch in English, because it's a very important, and you learn through your interest. That is the main important thing. Okay, and third point is speaking. Practice every day. Every day you speak, because speaking is more important rather than listening. You listen a lot, no problem, but you speak at least 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 15 minutes. You speak a lot. Okay, then the fourth is track progress in the sense, you make a video yourself in front of camera. Like today you make your video, and then after 1 week you make your video, and then you see your transformation in your journey, in your speaking style. The main thing is the track your progress is like make your video in front of camera. Okay, so that is the most important and very attractive way to improve speaking style, and improve to remove hesitation in front of camera. And when we track our progress, like when we make a video in front of camera, that time we generate our confidence, and we generate our courage. So it's a very interesting way to improve this language. Okay, the 5 point is gamify learning is like, you start from challenge, you start from streaks, and vocabulary practice. So there are practices like game challenge practices. Okay, gamify challenge, gamify learning. It's a very interesting way to improve this language. It's very great way, because nowadays I'm practice these type of days. Okay, so it's very helpful for me, because I improve a lot in these days. Okay, and the sixth topic is focus on communication, not perfection. Focus on communication, because communication is very important. Because why we improve our language? Because we want to become good communicator. So focus on communication, not perfection. So that is the some tips and related to English improvement. If you are consistent, and if you practice a lot every day, then you definitely achieve your fluency, because it's a journey, and the journey take a lot of time to improving. Okay guys, and so yes, till then, take care, bye bye, keep learning, keep growing, bye.